Harvey, want anything special for your birthday?
Just a decent cup of coffee.
If you can't get through your day without a cup of coffee, we have some good news. Claims have been made for many years suggesting coffee is harmful to your health. More recent studies are proving that although some risks are present, there are many benefits from drinking coffee as well. With over 400 billion cups consumed every year, coffee has become one of the world's most popular drinks. For those who consume coffee daily, a cup in the morning may give you more than just energy. With emphasis on moderation, researchers stated that coffee is the #1 source of antioxidants in the US. Other possible health benefits include protecting against type 2 diabetes, Parkinson's disease, liver cancer, and promoting a healthy heart. Along with benefits comes the risks. Some symptoms of drinking coffee include headaches, insomnia, heartburn, and palpitations. More serious side effects linked to coffee are symptoms of anxiety and depression. Researchers even reported that regular coffee intake may reduce a woman's chances of becoming pregnant. With the good and the bad, remember, balance is always key.
Gene, this coffee is delicious. Do you know that?